Hi guys, today on Divas Can Cook, we are going to make chocolate covered strawberries, just like the kind you see in those fancy flower shops and bakeries. They are so easy to make and they are fun too, so let's go. Okay, so you want to start by getting some really beautiful, bright red, gorgeous berries. Use the best ones in the bunch. And next we're going to wash them off. Do not skip this step, okay? You have to wash off all that dirt and stuff. You don't want that on your berries, and plus it could affect the way the chocolate sets up. And next you want to make sure that they are super dry. You don't want any moisture, any water on these strawberries whatsoever. Okay, step one is complete. The strawberries are bomb and ready to go. We're going to gather up all the ingredients that we're going to need to make our chocolate covered strawberries. Now let's talk about the chocolate. You don't want to use chocolate chips. You want to use baking chocolate, like it will say baking chocolate on the bar of chocolate. You can also use the little chocolate melting wafers. Those work good too, but the baking chocolate is going to set up so quick and easy, and it's going to taste the bomb. So yeah, get you some baking chocolate. I'm using milk chocolate and some white chocolate for like drizzle and stuff, but you can really use whatever's gonna lift your skirt. Okay, so now that we have the chocolate in their little bowls, we're gonna place it in the microwave and we're gonna melt it. You want to melt this according to the package instructions, okay? Whatever the package say for melting, that's what you do. And there is my chocolate all melted up, easy peasy, so easy. Okay, now I like to place my chocolate into a shot glass. I just think it makes it easier, you know, you don't have to like tilt the bowl. Just dip it right into that chocolate just like that, and then you just pull it right back out. So easy. So yeah, you can use a shot glass. You can use like a little a regular drinking cup if you want to, but go ahead and let the excess chocolate drip off and then place it on some parchment paper to set up, and that's it. You just can't go wrong with chocolate covered strawberries. So easy. I'm holding them by the leaves to dip them. I really wouldn't recommend it because some of these leaves are very fragile. If your strawberries have stems on it, you can hold it by the stem, or you can stick a toothpick in them, which I'm going to do a little bit later because I didn't like having my leaves all ruffled like that. But yeah, go ahead and let them sit out to firm up, and once they have firmed up, you can go ahead and drizzle them with that white chocolate, and you can really decorate these any way you want to. Like, I mean, you can just like maybe dip the tips of them in white chocolate. You can do little swirls or little lines, just, you know, whatever you want to do. Either way, I am pretty much 95% sure that your strawberries will look like 10 times better than mine, because I was just like putting this stuff on like, come on now, Monique girl. But yeah, here are my chocolate covered strawberries. After I did it this way, I decided to go ahead and try it, you know, try doing the little gourmet strawberries, like the kind you would have when you order flowers or things like that. They're very easy to do. Same process. Just go ahead and like dip them in the chocolate just the way you were doing before, but you do want to put them on like a toothpick. This makes it so much easier to like dip in the nuts and the mini chocolate chips. So I went ahead and just dipped it in the chocolate and then little nuts like that, because let me tell you something. These, when you buy these strawberries like this from those little flower shops and stuff, it be so expensive. I'm like, are you kidding me? Like, I can make this at home, you know, and like in a matter of minutes. It's very quick and easy to make these chocolate covered strawberries. But we are pretty much done. You know, you can get all creative, you know, more creative than this if you want to, but yeah, this is just so pretty, and I can eat this whole entire plate. Aren't they gorgeous? I love them. And you can store these in the fridge up to 2 days. Don't go over 2 days because they'll still be okay, but you know, you want fresh. You want fresh. And here's the inside right here. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. Later.